Joey Gutter Rat Sneeze. You back at it again, you loser. Boy, oh boy. You really did a doozy today, boy. Man, you are like the worst, easiest case I've ever had. You are so predictable. You are so, so dumb and stupid, homeless, bum. Every time your sorry butt get any money in your pocket, you think you supposed to come on YouTube and act like a tough guy. You're not tough. You're not, bro. You are nothing. You are nothing, man. You are nothing. You counted. You were literally on here. I'm not even gonna give you the benefit of the doubt of saying how much money you had, because you know how much money you had. You know how phony it was with all those motherfucking ones. Hey, I know you seen that young dude on YouTube. That dude had at least 4 to 5 stacks on there. At least 5 stacks. And you come on there with those wrinkly, look like you stole a waitress tip ones, counting them like that, all crinkled. You know, I mean, I never seen that in my life. A grown man on TV counting some crinkly looking ones that look like you just worked a shift at Denny's as a waitress. I ain't call you a waiter because you got that tramp stamp, so you're a waitress. And you gonna come on here and talk trash and count it and talking about women as bees, this and that. You know what? You're a woman too. You know that, right? You like my baby said, you nothing but a bitch too. You want to be real? Talk about it, bro. Let's talk about this. You are a bitch. You cry like one. You talk like one. And you surely don't fight like one, because, you know, my bitch will whoop you, bro. She will whoop you. She'll walk straight through your little sissy punches and whoop you. Because you know why? Because she's a real bitch. A real woman. And she's my woman. Because I'm a real mother effing man, bro. I don't get on YouTube to cry about my problems. Cry about this. Cry about that. You on YouTube crying about not getting $1 donations. Then let me ask you another thing. If you are so great, so this, like you said, you was put on this earth for them to come to you. You were a 30-year-old bum, didn't have a single person with you. On your birthday. You didn't have a single person with you. You have no friends, no family members that remotely like you. You are pathetic of a human being. Pathetic. Then you got the nerve to sit here and call out women. Call out women. Be a man. Call out the person you're really talking about. We all know who you're talking about. You're talking about Frost, and then you're talking about Ashley. The two women that clearly have no respect for you. Give it up, bro. We don't care that you are a loser. You are a loser, bro, that wish you was something. And you are so predictable. Every time you get on here, I know you got money. But what's sad, it ain't real. It ain't real money. Meaning, that money you counting, that can't get you nowhere. You ain't getting nowhere. You talking about this spot? You are living hotel to hotel. I mean, you make it even worse. You ain't even paying like a week advance. You know what I mean? You ain't paying that. That's where you make mistakes at. You know, you say this and that. You say, oh, I got this fuck, this fuck. You can't even afford to pay for a whole week. You pay daily, one day at a time. You know why? Because you work at Labor Ready. You know what that is. You know you get paid every day. Trying to tell people you get check and you get cash. No, 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 loser. No gutter rat. You get paid every day with cash. And you sit there, you work your butt off, this and that. No, you don't. Because if you worked your butt off, you wouldn't be living in a hotel room. You wouldn't blow money. Who has... This is say you had that $10,000. Who still walk around with a book bag and some British Nikes and some jeans that everybody mama tired of seeing, literally walking around, and you got the nerve to say other people's broke? You have nothing in your life other than your possessions in that book bag, which is terrible, by the way. And two, who got the nerve to talk about you got this, you got that, you got mansion down in Mexico and cars this, cars that, but you don't even know how to manage your money to survive and live. So let me get this straight: you're a millionaire, but you don't even know how to save your money to get a freaking apartment or something, studio apartment, or share apartment with somebody, roommates. Because you know why? One, everybody named Mama want to beat you up, and they know, and you know everybody want to beat you up. You talking about nobody pull up on you because tough guy. One, people really don't care about you that much. They don't care about you. But the reason why I'm caring so much about you is because you stepped over that line. When you started disrespecting women for no reason, and then when you started calling all these racist remarks about blacks and Puerto Ricans and Jewish people, you crossed the line. And you keep doing it every time your butt get money. And you wonder why you don't have no women, no friends, no nothing. Because you are a bum, a loser, a backstabber. And you wonder why you live in, I wouldn't say check to check because you don't get checks. I would say labor ready to labor ready. That's what I'm going to say. That's your day-to-day, labor ready. And you go to restaurants and eat by yourself. See, I forgot. You and Bum Charlie think you two was your friends. So that's why you took a cell phone and put it on the table for people to see you watching you eat. And you cheap bitch. You can't even get that chick a tip when you stuff in your face. You are pathetic of a man. I swear to God, man. All my life I have never met a more sissified individual in my life. I mean, you bro, you're just so soft. I mean, it's just call it what it is, bro. You are the king of the bitches, bro. And you will always be there because you are a gutter rat, Joey. I mean, what you think? What you think when you came out with Tyree that was going to be like Boys in the Hood? You think people was gonna be like, man, that dude is what's up, man. That dude, what's up? He catch bodies. You know, you know what body you catch is catching bodies is pounding your butthole. That's what bodies you catching. But hey, only bodies you really catching is those fists in your face, and they catching your face. You are, bro. I mean, you one of those dudes, man. You and Charlie is those people that Look around to see who can hold you back. So then you can start talking trash to the other dude, make it look like y'all about to throw those hands, and y'all don't do absolutely nothing but look stupid. And this the other day, you were Charlie walk around, I think he beat Crazy Temple up, and the only thing the dude did is just literally just walk faster up the Crazy Temple when his back was turned, and didn't land a single punch. But he's walking around like he's tough now, like he's tough, even though he haven't threw a single punch. Just like you, bro, you have not won a single fight. Your sorry ratchet butt got knocked down by two of the worst looking fighters I have ever seen in my life. And what a coincidence, they had to be black, and they still knocked you down. And I heard the dude say, man, I don't know about this, man. I'm scared about this, man. And he still knocked you down. You are terrible, bro. You are terrible. But I'm all seriousness, though. You better shut the F up, bro, about women. Because you know what, bro? I got a wife and daughter. And you know what? They deserve men. They don't deserve a little boy like you that cries and cries about every little thing. Cries about nobody like you, or nobody's here. Nobody was at my birthday. And nobody's here. Nobody likes me. Nobody likes me. You know, and it's like, bro, it is a reason why nobody like you. You know it as well as I do. Because you are a loser, gutter rat that thinks he's God's gift to the world, but haven't done nothing. Nothing. And you are so predictable. As soon as I seen you put something new out there, I knew, well, he got money. He got money. And every time you get money, you think you're above the world with your freaking tip money from Denny's. Let's call it what it is, bro. And you know what, man? I'm just telling you straight up, bro. A real man would never have to tell a person how big his thing is, or how great he is, or what he do, with this and that. See, a good man will let his actions speak for everything he does, because he got his head up, and he knows at the end of the day, if you can't look yourself in the mirror and say that I did everything I possibly could the right way, you know you didn't do it the right way. And what you do all the time is you try to belittle women and men because you can't be like them, you can't act like them, you can't see like them, because you are a gutter rat. You're a gutter rat, soft as butter. That's what you are, Joey. You'll never be a man, just like your daddy ain't never a man. Because your daddy like taking it up the Hershey Highway and probably molesting little boys. Yo, he did. So he's a little bitch too, just like you are. You know what? You are, you and him are probably perfect. That's what's wrong with you. You probably fighting your urges of messing around with little boys. Yeah, you're an underwear tickler. Yeah, you look for those Transformer underwear on those little boys. But I tell you straight up, bro, you going to get yours, bro. You're going to get yours because you are a thug. You are a tough guy, and you did say you catch bodies. So it ain't gonna be no excuses whatsoever. And you know what? Once you watch this movie Heat, my man De Niro says, I don't have to worry about getting that trash. That trash is going to be there. And when I get time, I am going to take that trash out. Because you ain't nothing but trash. So, I'm going to be patient. And I will get you because you are nothing but trash. And then, I might let you see a real bitch. A real down bitch that has my back. So, little boy, Joey, we will be conversating again. Gutter rat.